History. Glastron, a trailblazing boat manufacturing company, was established on October 14, 1956, in Austin, Texas, by the visionary quartet of Bob Hammond, Bill Gaston, Bob Shoop, and Guy Woodard. As pioneers in fiberglass boat production, their legacy lives on through Glastron's profound impact on the industry. Best inventions. Glastron's reputation for innovation is underscored by its revolutionary boat hull designs. The Aqualift and SSV hulls, introduced by Glastron, have left an indelible mark on boat design. The latter, known for its enduring effectiveness, continues to be a hallmark of Glastron's commitment to engineering excellence. Recent developments. Acquired by Genmar Holdings in the 1990s and now under the ownership of Boat Holdings, a subsidiary of Groupe Beneteau, Glastron has embraced recent developments in the boat manufacturing realm. Continually integrating technological advancements, Glastron remains at the forefront of the industry, ensuring its boats are not only innovative but also in tune with contemporary market demands. Current status. Glastron, a stalwart in boat manufacturing, stands resilient under the banner of Boat Holdings. The company's enduring legacy is evidenced by its ongoing commitment to quality, performance, and innovation. Today, Glastron maintains a prominent position in the market, a testament to its founder's vision and the timeless appeal of its groundbreaking boat designs.